What's up, guys? As you can see, we are not at my shop. We're gonna start a new project today. I am at my brother's. My brother's been on here before, but I've never introduced you to him. This is Tyler, not the truck. We're gonna be doing some stuff with this truck, like lowering it, interior. It's not a hard life. This is his wife's grandfather's truck. It's just stock. Nothing spectacular. But anyway, I think we have to run and pick up a couple things. We're going to take the bed and stuff off today. Let's get this thing ready to roll. Hello there. So right now we're taking off the bed, but we're gonna run down and get a table down at my shop so we can put this bed on it. We gotta replace a bedside and fix a couple other things. So right now we're just getting it prepped to take off, and then we're gonna run down the road, and we'll be back shortly. Hold on, don't forget the light. Okay.
I'm gonna let it back down just so it can.
I just sit it on the ground.
Yeah, I'm gonna set it almost all the way. Here we go. Makes it a lot easier picking it up.
Well, that thing that I got makes it a lot easier.
Let's just call it done. Let's go get the truck trailer or that thing, and
So, are you gonna go to Harbor Freight and get Casper too, or?
yeah, but I'm gonna come back here and unload that thing.
All right, so we got the bed off. We're gonna go get the table, like we were just talking about, and go get some casters possibly for the table, so we can roll around a little bit easier. Then we'll be back. He would have a cow if somebody else did that. All right, so we got the bed off. We got our tripod table mounted to the bed. He's trying to turn this thing around. He's gonna take out the bed. Dang, that was really close. At least gotta look like I'm doing something.
No, they're all in mine.
You Tyler turn around and yell at you too. Flashlight.
Yeah.
It's a ground.
Take
We
it
looking
off.
for the other one.
No, go take it off. Yeah, you might want to move that stand too. Don't you unload it?
You have to cut the fuel lines too.
That ain't gonna be hard. You go up a little bit, Daws.
Oh!
Yeah.
Let me cut these. Alright, so we got the gas tank out of it. We had to pull the front wheels off of it so we could measure the front rotor so we could see what size drop spindle we needed. My cousin's actually got a set of drop spindles. We're going to see if he wants to get those tomorrow. Other than that, we're pretty much done for tonight. It's not really late, but we don't have really much more we can do. So that's going to be it for now. We'll see you guys back here again tomorrow. What's up, guys? We're back. Little change of plans. We were going to work on the front suspension, but we don't have all of our stuff. We didn't want to blow it apart, just in case we needed to move it for some reason. So we're going to focus on the bed tonight. We got a lot to do with the bed. We're going to replace this bedside. He's got a brand new tailgate, brand new headache rack. That's going to be our main goal today, is just to tear it apart. probably moved.
It did. Take out every one of them back things with a ratchet.
Huh?
I'd take out every one of them with a ratchet.
Do you have your little small ratchet?
What?
Do you have your small ratchet?
Yeah.
Wiring's loose. Just coming apart.
I need to clean all this up real good.
Are you gonna seam seal it again?
Yeah. I still got that one bolt.
I think if we just manhandle it over, it'll come loose.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Hold it for a second. Stuck in there, Dawson.
So what it is, it's wedged in there, but it's kind of pushing on over.
Well, I don't want to tear it up before it's already tore up.
Okay.
Where we going? I don't think I'm going.
Just go in front of it. Back on.
Is it gonna come off?
Yeah, it should just pull out of the other bed. Well, as far as I know, 90% of our parts that we're going to use has come from LMC truck. I've used a lot of LMC truck stuff before. This is actually the first time actually using body panels. It's actually pretty heavy duty, a little flimsy. It's not bolted up, but looks like it will do the job for the headache rack. Tyler's actually primering some spots as soon as he gets it primered. We're going to stick it on, then probably seam seal it sometime tomorrow when we get some seam sealer. And hopefully we're going to have the bed at least put back together tonight. Because the pizza lady's here.
Screwdriver, get that mess out, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you ready on? Is it in there?
Yeah. I just run in just a little bit. Just now that. need to still go down some.
I see what it needs, just a little bit off his front corner. It's gonna go down, I think, enough. Let's take it back off one more time. Did he come up with more, dog?
Oh, no, I got it.
Got it bolted?
Yeah.
Let me see what you have.
Because as long as it's sitting on the lip, it should be good.
What do you think?
It don't have a big dip inside of it.
Don't look too bad. Let's get one of these in there and just kind of snugged up. Let's put the tailgate together. Set it on there and see about where we're at.
Okay.
Ain't bad. Both sides.
Won't take great. No, let's see if it'll fit.
Probably ain't got none of the brackets on it.
It ain't got the. It should. Oh, I guess it don't.
Just hold it up there and see if it's close. What jack you got?
It looks right at the bottom. It's messed up, and it's causing it not to fit quite right.
Alright, pick it up.
That latch probably needs to be adjusted.
Looks good, iron. That needs to go in.
Just tell you, it could be bent too. I see why this thing sticks up so much. This looks like it needs to be drilled out and pulled down. So. I don't know if there's a gap on this side or not. Oh, no. That's what it needs. Well, buy NOS stuff if you can.